Hi, welcome to Comprehensive English Lab. If you're new to IELTS and struggle with fast audio, diverse accents, tricky words, or confusing synonyms in listening, then great news. This series is for you. Here, we use the real test format, but with simpler language to build active listening skills. Step by step, no stress, just steady progress. Feel good? Let's dive in ASAP and improve IELTS listening together.
You will hear a presentation on tree planting and how we should do it. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 10.
Many people and politicians talk about planting trees now. They think it is an easy way to help with climate problems. Companies also plant trees to make their bad air carbon better. But tree planting is not always easy or good. If we plant wrong trees in wrong places, it can make big problems. It does not help people or nature. Many countries plant a lot of trees now. We must choose the right trees. We should plant different trees together. These trees are like the old natural forest in that place. We can also plant rare trees. This makes a good home for animals and plants. We must not plant trees from other countries. These trees can grow too much and hurt local plants and animals. Bad plants and animals from other places make problems for nature all over the world. When we plant trees again, we want to help animals and plants live better. This also helps take more carbon from the air. But good projects have more than one goal. For example, trees can help animals stay safe. Trees can give food to local people. Trees can keep the ground strong. A very good tree planting project helps many things and does not hurt people, animals, or nature. To make new forests strong, we need seeds from many different trees of the same kind. This is important for the trees to stay healthy. If seeds are the same, the trees are weak. They can get sick easily or cannot change with new weather. The place for planting is very important, like the trees. The best place is old forest land that is not good now. We should not plant in places with no trees, like grass fields, wetlands, or open areas. These places already help with carbon. It is good to plant where trees can give other help. For example, places for people to walk and play. We should not plant on farmland. If we do, people can cut trees in other places for new farms. Big tree planting needs good plans. We need good maps to know the best places. We can use drones to see bad forest areas and watch them. In Brazil, drones help see problems in the Amazon forest. People cut trees or keep cows there. A good example is in Lampang, Thailand. A company and a university planted trees in an old bad place from mining. They put new soil on the ground. Then they planted 14 different local trees. Some are fig trees. Fig trees are very important. They help many animals. Animals and birds come to eat the fruit. Then they take seeds to other places in their poo. This helps more plants grow fast. Fig trees have fruit all year. Animals always have food. In this place, after 3 rainy times, monkeys came to eat figs. They help make more trees. We must always talk to local people and let them help decide. In Madagascar, people plant mangrove trees again. Mangrove trees grow near the sea. Old mangrove forests were bad. This hurt animals and fish. Many people lost work because fishing is bad. The project gives jobs to local people. They plant and take care of the trees. Now there are many new mangrove trees. The water is good again for fish. Mangroves help stop big water from storms because of climate change. The people have better money now. More children can go to school. One more important thing.
This is the end of the recording.